Fairy here with another, I was about to say recipe video, but this is not recipe video. Happy Halloween! So this is just a short video to show you what I'm wearing for this year, which is from Squid Game. So I'm gonna show you how to make this very easy mask, and as you can see, I also have the suit. I'm missing the belt and whatnot. I have it, I just haven't put it on. But yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Happy Halloween! So for the mask, we have two colanders here that we're gonna spray paint black. What you want to do is remove this handle, and then you can leave it as is, or you can kind of bend it so it's kind of like oval like the movie, but otherwise this is the easiest way to make the mask. For the costume itself, we sprayed with pink color instead red because we couldn't find pink. So at the moment one costume is kind of done because we still have to spray paint it, but you can obviously use other kind of paint, if not what is it, cloth coloring. They have it sometimes at Walmart, but we just couldn't find it this time, so we painted with pink one. Much like the spray one, it was pink, and for the paint also pink. They definitely didn't have red everywhere. We think that many people are trying to make Squid Game costume. That's why red paint, or even for cloth coloring, is all gone from the shelves. So for the mask, as I said, colander, and then black paint spray, and some tools that will help you to remove the handle of the colander. So yeah, basically it's like that. You spray it black, you wait it until dark, until it's dry, and you can coat it one more to make it darker. And now if you want with hammer, so it's something like this. If it's it's kind of darker, and with hammer later on we can kind of bend it into oval shape. So this is to shape the mask a bit oval. You can leave it as is, but of course it wouldn't look kind of ovalish as in the movie. But the colander itself is not a cheap colander, so it's not really easy to bend it. So if you can find colander that is easier to bend, that would be perfect. But again, it's up to you whether you want to leave it round or kind of bend it to oval shape. Hello again. So this year my oldest is dressing up as pitboy, while my youngest is pizza. Maybe it's a bit dark to see. And again, this year we provided goodie bags. Many of the kids came when it was still a lot of lights, sunlight. We prepared about 37 goodie bags, and these were full with Mountain Dew. It's all gone already. Now I refill it with juice box. And this year we have Sadako out. No snow, no nothing, so she's happy to be out. If you remember, Sadako is from our Halloween contest here on Steamit and Hive a couple of years back by one of our awesome Hivian or Steamian. So yeah, we didn't really put a lot of decorations this year, and many of the decorations we have, the battery is actually dying, like this, which is supposed to be talking, but she's not anymore. That's my husband, ladies and gentlemen. So we've been getting a lot of compliments, especially my husband, because I took off my mask. It's fogging up my glasses. But yeah, he's having fun. Everyone loves his costume. Everyone on the street, on the road that we met always said, oh, cool costume, oh, please don't pick me, I'm scared, and stuff like that.